Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today's going to be a super fun video because today we are going to be doing another informational plant tour. Now especially today there's a lot to talk about with plant growth starting to decline, which is really bad, and just some other bad things I really want to talk about. Not a ton, not as much as usual, but today's video is going to be quite long and a lot we're going to be covering in today's video. So before we do start, please subscribe, hit the notification on all so you do not miss our video. Please like this video. Let's go ahead and start today's video. Alright, so immediately talking about the fish tank, I'd like to say hopefully today I might be going up to the store and getting a lot more stuff. So if so, that video will be coming out about an hour to 2 hours, somewhere about an hour to 3 hours before or after this video posts. So if you guys really want to see that, we have a lot we're hopefully going to be picking up later today. So if you guys want to check that video out, please check it out. I'd really love if you'd support that video. And then, so talking about the fish, I've not had a single fish not make it in the last 2 weeks. So that is so incredibly exciting. And I really do feel like the fish tank is ready for some new stuff. I also really need to grab some stuff and cover that up with some like black tape or something. But really talking about the plants, because this obviously is an informational plant tour, I will say I do feel like the root structure is starting to shrink a little bit. Like the root structure on that isn't insane. I do feel like the root rot is getting pretty bad. But other than that, I do feel like the plants are absolutely thriving. All the lettuce is kind of slowing down, but it is starting to reach for the light a lot more, which is great. I do feel like once I if something bad happens, or if I go ahead and harvest it, I think I'm gonna move back to sponges. So that'll be nice to work with once again. But other than that, pretty much all these plants over here are doing great. We got tangled lettuce, buttercrunch lettuce, oak leaf lettuce, red ruby lettuce, grand lettuce, and then we got bunching onions. Then right there we got sugar peas, and then we also got parsley right there, and all of those plants are amazing. And then right here we got even more basil. We got strawberry plants right there. We got a ton of oregano that still needs to grow more. We got cucumbers, and those are starting to grow pretty significant. And then we have cherry tomatoes, and then at the end of it we have cilantro. So all of these are super significant, great plants to work with. But it'll be very interesting to see what happens in the upcoming future. So talking about all of these plants right now, we have oregano right here. Looks phenomenal. I will say some of the parts of it some of the leaves on the plants are starting to get a little bit darker. Like some of the leaves right there look a little bit worse. So a little bit nervous about that. But other than that, there's a lot more plants starting. The mustard is looking phenomenal, and the dill is really starting to sprout. So that is exciting. We also have cilantro, basil, and parsley. All of these will be going in the hydroponics and aquaponics. Some might go in soil to do some testing with and see the best methods to grow them in. But other than that, all of those plants will pretty much be going in the aquaponics. Then going down to this shelf, we have all our strawberry plants. If you guys missed our video that we posted this morning, we did a video completely focusing on strawberries and talking about everything to know about growing strawberries. So if you guys want to check that video out, I would really love it if you would. All of these are doing great, and I do think with me going to the pet store hopefully later today, I might try to do some blueberries, like harvest some blueberries and do some germination with that hopefully. But going over here, we have our tomato plants. These are our hydroponic type of plants. Kind of checking out the roots. The roots are kind of still holding up. Those roots definitely growing a lot more, starting to go out the bottom. Then we have lemongrass and peppermint. Both of these definitely slowing down, but still absolutely thriving. Then going all the way down to the bottom shelf, we have a lot going on right here. We have 3 different types of flowers and 3 different types of vegetables. We have cucumbers, broccoli, and celery. All of those are starting to germinate except the celery, which is quite disappointing. Then we have poppy seeds, daisy seeds, and cosmos. All of those are starting to germinate. Daisy's a little bit behind, but other than that, they are starting to thrive. So, that is quite exciting. Going back up, we have our pea plants. These are sugar peas. Really just everything about them is amazing. I actually did a video yesterday talking about everything to know about growing peas and tomatoes. So if you guys want to check that video out too, I'd really love it if you would. And just both of these are absolutely amazing. Everything about them I really love. Sugar peas, most amazing, absolutely phenomenal flavor when you actually have one of those peas or one of those pea pods. Tomatoes, same exact thing. I do feel like tomatoes are a little bit easier from harvesting and they taste insane. And the plant itself smells so strong and smells exactly like tomatoes. Going down to this shelf, this is the, well, let's just talk about growth. I do feel like it seriously doubled its size overnight, which is absolutely insane. Now I've done a lot of work with these, and I'm really hoping this does start to produce some sugar peas, hopefully. Can't guarantee it, but that's the method we're calling the bunched up method, and this is the spread out method that we're working with. So right here we have a lot going on. We have morning glories right here, cosmos, and then lavender. We're actually about to start doing more cosmos, so that'll be quite fun. Going down to this shelf, we have bunching onions. Those are doing super great too. I do feel like they are starting to grow, so that's super exciting. And I don't know what this plant is. Let me just kind of grab it and pull that out because I don't need that. Then talking about the rosemary. The rosemary looks absolutely phenomenal too. I'm super excited about that, and ending the video with our biggest strawberry plants. Those look super great. They are definitely starting to grow a lot more, so that is phenomenal. And yeah, so this is gonna be the end of the video. So if you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss that video. Please like this video. I just really want to give a second and thank you all for watching today's video and supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.